everybody, I've got 3 new patterns for you. Diagonals, stripes, and crosses. We're going to start with the first one, which is the diagonals. It looks just like this. You start with a completed cube, and you do exactly these steps. 12 steps. Front, clockwise, back, clockwise, top, clockwise, bottom, clockwise, front, clockwise, back, clockwise, top, clockwise, bottom, clockwise. You get the pattern? Front, clockwise, back, clockwise, top, clockwise, bottom, clockwise. And there you go. This is 16 moves. This is really tricky, so let's go really slow. Front, twice. Back, counterclockwise. Bottom, clockwise. Left, twice. Front, counterclockwise. Bottom, counterclockwise. Front, counterclockwise. Back, clockwise. Top, counterclockwise. Bottom, clockwise. Top, clockwise. Bottom, clockwise again. Right side, twice. Front, counterclockwise. Top, clockwise. Bottom, twice. And there you go. To do the vertical stripes, again, start with the finished cube and do these 17 moves. I'm going to do real slow. Left side, clockwise. Top, clockwise. Left side, clockwise. Front, clockwise. Back, counterclockwise, or twice actually. Right side, clockwise. Bottom, counterclockwise. Front, clockwise. Bottom twice. Back, clockwise. Bottom, counterclockwise. Right, counterclockwise. Almost done. Front, twice. Back, clockwise. Left side, clockwise. Top, clockwise. Left side, clockwise. Hope you've enjoyed my videos. Please keep checking back. More patterns, more cube videos, more puzzling game videos. Subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and have a good one.